I think there's been skepticism and opposition to using Bitcoin as a form of payment, most likely because the price has risen dramatically over the last year and people are skeptical of whether it can retain that value. However, with any new technology, there are always skeptics. There were people who didn't think that cars would be driven on roads. In fact, in England, they passed a red flag law in the 19th century that required someone to walk 25 yards in front of your car with a red flag to say that the automobile was coming. There are still people that use the post office, even though that's a less efficient way of sending something via mail. You can send an email instantly and not have to wait a few days for the post office delivery. So I think with every new technology, there are skeptics before that technology is readily adapted. But in Bitcoin, for instance, we just have a new way and a better way of transferring something of value across networks that can happen instantly. So someone in New York can send something of value to somebody in Beijing, China instantly. And this is the first time we've been able to accomplish that. And of course, I think people who are comfortable doing things the old-fashioned way are skeptical of it and not readily adopting it just yet.